In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a multilingual plugin in WordPress. Specifically, we'll be focusing on adding Polylang to your WordPress site, which is a powerful and user-friendly tool for creating a multilingual website. This is a fantastic way to reach a broader audience, expanding your content accessibility to speakers of different languages. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a variety of options. We're going to focus on plugins. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Add New. This will take you to a page where you can browse thousands of plugins. In the search bar on the top right, type Polylang. Once the results appear, you should see Polylang listed at the top or near the top. It's developed specifically to help users set up multilingual sites with ease. When you find it, click on the Install Now button located next to the plugin. Installation may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed, but once it's installed, do not forget to hit that Activate button. This step ensures that the plugin is up and running on your website. Once activated, Polylang will automatically prompt you to run its setup wizard. This is where you'll configure the essential settings that will allow you to fully leverage the multilingual capabilities of the plugin. It's designed to be straightforward, guiding you through each step with prompts and recommendations. The Setup Wizard is your chance to specify which languages you'd like your site to support. You can choose from a wide array of languages. Simply select the ones that best fit your audience's needs. You'll also want to pay attention to the language switcher options. This feature allows users to switch between languages on your site, so it's important to set it up in a way that's both intuitive and visible. The switcher can usually be added to menus or as a widget in a sidebar, ensuring easy access for your visitors. During the setup process, take your time to review each option. Even though the default settings are typically adequate for most users, it never hurts to double-check and adjust them according to your specific requirements. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured Polylang on your WordPress site. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a multilingual presence that can communicate effectively with a diverse audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.